Mix and match deals let customers build their own bundles by choosing different products while still getting a volume discount. To get started, open the Kaching Bundles app and either edit an existing bundle or create a new one. In the bundle settings, enable Volume Discount Bundle with other products. This turns the bundle into a mix and match offer. Next, choose which products customers can mix and match. You can allow all products except selected ones, products from specific collections, or only selected products. Click Select Products to define what customers can choose from. Now customize how the Mix and Match bundle appears on the product page. You can upload a custom image, change the button text, and adjust colors. In the Other Settings section, you can adjust how product names and prices are shown, and decide whether unselected items should be auto-filled. If needed, you can also customize the Choose Product modal. This lets you adjust the text and styling customers see when selecting products. Once everything is set up, click Publish to make the bundle live. Mix and match bundles are a simple way to increase AOV while giving customers more flexibility and choice. And for a broader view of top bundle strategies on Shopify, check out our video breaking down 3 bundle setups that consistently perform well.